Hello subscriber, today our topic is Kirchhoff's law. Arguably the most common and useful set of the law for solving the electric currents or the Kirchhoff's voltage in the current law. Several other useful relations can be delivered based on these laws. Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, also called this law. The sum of all the voltage rise and the drops around the closed loop is equal to 0. In other words, the algebraic sum of all voltage rise is equal to the algebraic sum of all voltage drops around a closed loop. Example, in which of the circuit diagram in given figure write the mesh equation using the KVL. First and the second, single mesh within the current B is the two meshes within the current I1 and I2. Contain a single loop, hence a single current I1 is flowing around it. Therefore, a single equation will result as given below. Vs is equal to IR1 and IR2. If the Vs, R1 and R2 are known as I can be found. Contain the two mesh within the current I1 and I2, hence there will be two equations as shown below. Note that the branch containing R2 is common to the both mesh within the current I1 and I2 following in opposite direction. Vs IR1 I1 R1 plus I1 minus I2 left loop, R1 plus R2 R1 plus R2 I1 I2 I1 I2 plus I1. Finally figures are when the voltage is in a drop position, R minus R1 or I1 and I2 plus I R3. Finally I2 given a Vs is Vs R1, R2 and R3 equation can be solved in the simultaneously to the evaluate the I1 and I2 for the circuit diagram of a figure. There is an equation to need the written as follows. Also note that there is no circuit element shared between loop 2 and loop 3. Hence the I2 and I3 are impedance of each other. V is equals I1 minus I3 R1 plus R1 plus minus R2 R2. VA is equals R1 plus R2 I1 minus R2 I2 minus R1 R3 and the left side. Bottom loop means when the voltage will be dropped. 0 is equal to I2 minus I1 R2 plus I2 R3. 0 is equal to R2 I1 plus R2 plus R3 I2. Right button loops calculations. If the VSS and the resistors values are known, the mesh current can be evaluated by solving a pair's three equations simultaneously. I have clearly cleared this topic. What is the Kirchhoff's law about the voltage? And Kirchhoff's law is also in a abbreviationally called the KVL, means Kirchhoff's voltage law, and I also equationally define that. I hope you will be understand from this lecture, and I also discuss in this video about the current. In the next video I will be discuss about the Kirchhoff's law of a current. Please subscribe my channel, still not subscribed yet, and to get more videos please stay with me and press the bell icon to get the daily update about the electrical technology and technical videos. So please press the bell icon to get the more notification. Thank you for watching.